Hey, we're here at Bethany Lakes and I'm testing this new neck mount for the GoPro. I've got the Windslayer little soundproofing thing on here that helps keep the noise down when it's windy, but now I've got this little neck deal, and well, I'm gonna go see how it works out here fishing Bethany Lakes. Got the Shimano BFS. It's the Scorpion 17 XG, BFS XG, and I've got a Copper Meps inline spinner, the Trout Anglia. Heard something moving there on the other side. Maybe it's some little bass. Let's see. Let's walk it over here a little bit. Go slowly. Come out this way. Oh, there's something. Little bass. Little bassalito. There we go. All right. That's what's in the shallows. Nice. Get that. Scorpion BFS. And a little ultralight bait casting for some bass. All right. He took it. Little guy. Feels like a bluegill, I think. Yeah. A bluegale. All right. 2 fish today. Nice. Okay. Well, it looked like this baby worked pretty good. I sort of like it. It's a lot more comfortable than wearing that harness. I don't sweat as much, even though I am sweating. It's a hot day. Not as hot as the other day though. So I'm liking this. Got it coupled with that Windslayer along with the neck mount. Hey, good to go.